It could be different for you as well. It could be in storage or whatever. If you're using an older version of Android, then it's usually Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your memory on your phone without having to delete anything. So I'm currently here on my phone and I'm using, of course, an Android phone, but be advised that you can also do this on iPhone mobiles. So what you need to do is to head over to your settings. Now there are multiple ways that you can head over to your settings, and I'm sure that you're probably aware on how you can reach your settings in your phone. Now you can either go to your home screen, and then what you will find the settings app just here, the gear button, or you can head over here on top, scrolling down, and then going to the gear button as well. It depends on the OS that you are using. Now here that we're on settings now, what we need to do is to go over to apps here. It could be different for you as well. It could be in storage or whatever. If you're using an older version of Android, then it's usually found in storage. But yeah, here I'm going to apps now, and then I'm going to manage apps, and then as long as you see this kind of screen in your phone, then you're doing the right thing. So what we need to do now is to sort this. I mean, it's just optional, but I'd like to sort this on the storage to use, so that I'll see which apps are used most frequently, or like which apps use most of the memory on my phone, so that I know which one to clear, not to delete. Now you would be tempted to delete some of these apps, but it's up to you. But for this video I'm going to show you how you don't need to delete that. For example, I'm going to Messenger over here, and you'll see that there is storage here, and usually you have also the uninstall here. I have clear data. If I go to quick storage here, you'll see that I have almost 300 megabytes of cache. And then what cache is that these are reserved memories for your app, so that the next time you're using this app, the processes run faster. You don't have to wait for it to load. For example, the photos. Every time that you go to that certain conversation that you had in the past, the photo will just automatically appear without having to wait for it to load. You get what I mean? Now you can also delete that, and of course you don't need to lose that photo. You just need to use some of your Wi-Fi or your data again in order to access that. Now how do you do this? For me, you can do this by, you should usually have a clear cache button on the bottom of your screen, but for me it does not have. But what I do have is, if I click on clear data, it does show that I have the option to either clear all data or to clear cache. Now let's say I want to clear cache. If I go over to my Messenger, you'll see that I have here some messages. For example, this one here. See, there's this photo here that's sent by someone. And then if I go to clear cache, let's close this app first. Clear cache. Now this will turn to 0 bytes. If we go now to that Messenger app, to that same photo, you'll see that it had taken some time to load, right? Now that will add some data to your cache again, and that's how it works. So basically, that is how you can clear up some memory on your phone without having to delete anything. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.